So, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a very important topic, Linux basics for hackers. If you are into ethical hacking, penetration testing, bug bounty, or malware analysis, you must understand Linux. Most of the hacking tools you'll use, like Metasploit, Nmap, SQL Map, etc., etc., they are built for Linux. Okay, so let's start without wasting your time. Let's start. Okay. At first, what is Linux? Let's begin with a simple question. What is Linux? Okay, so Linux is an open source operating system like Windows and Mac OS, but with more control, more flexibility, and more power. The core of Linux is the kernel developed by Linus Torvalds in 1991. Today, thousands of developers contributed to it. Now, Linux runs everywhere. 90% of the servers on the internet, every Android phones, even firewall routers. So here I have created a diagram for you. So here is the diagram. Okay, Linux uses a tree-like file structure. Everything begins from slash to the root. Okay, root directory. Let's break down the most important folders hacker should know. At first, the bin directory. This directory stores like some essential user binaries, or some you can say as like basic commands like lscp cat move. It stores that thing. Okay, and after that, sbin is the directory that stores system binaries used by root only. And after that, the etc directory. On etc directory, it stores the system configuration files like ssh configuration or user info and all. Okay, and on the home directory it stores the it stores user directory. The home directory stores the user directories like user 1, user 2, user 3, depend upon your user cases. Okay, the users. And this slash root is the directory of like it's the home directory for root users. And then we have another directory named as war. It's an important directory because all of the logs are stored inside this directory. Okay, so and another directory is temp directory. It stores the temporary files like it stores the temporary files, and it gets cleared on reboot. Okay, and there is okay, we have left some. Okay, now we have dev. It stores the device files. Okay, or disks infos like disk or USBs, whatever. Okay, and on the proc, like we have last thing is proc. It stores the virtual files showing live processes. Okay, it stores the virtual file system for process informations. Okay, so you can navigate it with the command line as well as from the GUI. So let me show you the GUI first, and after that I'll cover some commands on terminal. Then I'll tell you how you can navigate to these directories. Okay. So at first from GUI, navigate to this folder and click on open folder and click on file system. Okay. On the file system, you will see each and every directory that I have taught you right now. So you can navigate these directories. You can't navigate to the root directory if you are not root. Okay, but you can navigate to other directories. You can navigate to this directory from the root file manager. I'll tell you how you can do that. Okay, in the upcoming section. So let's dive into the commands at first. Okay, so the first command is who am I. It shows the current username, and let me give you a little example. So here we have the terminal. Zoom in. You can zoom your terminal with the control and plus symbol, or plus key on your keyboard. And when you do who am I, it will show you the username of your user, whatever user you will be. So it will show you the username of your user. Okay. And after that you can view the ID of your user, like you can see the user ID of your user and group ID of your user, and whatever groups your user is a member of. Okay, so you can see that thing. And again, after that, like you can okay, let's move with the other command. Okay, here the ID simply gives you the user ID, group ID, and groups about a user. And simple group command will show you all of the groups of current user belongs to. Like when I do this groups, it will show me the current group of my user, like the SSEC user. Okay, and after that, okay, so after that we have add user utility. We can add any user to our Linux by using this command add user. So let's add a user. You need to have a root, like sudo permission for it. Okay. So just click on sudo add user and name a user like Kali. Okay. I'm adding a Kali user. You have to provide the password of your user or the sudo. Okay. It's asking for the password for Kali user. Okay. So let me type a password of 1234. Again, it says like retype your new password. I have retyped. It won't show up here. Okay, it won't show up here. You just have to type it on your keyboard and press enter. And after that, it will ask you the full name of the user. I will continue with the blanks. Okay, I'll just go with the defaults. Just enter, 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 and enter. Okay. Do this user. Okay. Now you can see this user have been added. Okay. And how like we are okay, how we can change this user's password manually. Okay, we have added the user and we have selected the password here, but if we have to like change this user's password manually, so then we have to do then we will do like sudo password kali. It will simply ask you for a new password. Just put your new password here, and it will update your password. Okay, and after that we have user mode command. From this command we can add our user, like let's switch you can switch your user with the su command. Okay, as you can see now I am Kali at the rate Kali. From sec to Kali, from sec we have been switched to the Kali user. Okay, so now we are Kali. So as you can see, if we do sudo -l, it will just give an error. Sorry, user Kali is not like may not run sudo on Kali because it's not the group of Kali user. Okay, like sudo is like Kali is not in the group of sudo. So you can add sudo with this command. Like let me just add sudo user mod -a capital T and add sudo to Kali. Now our user can run sudo -l. Sorry. As you can see, we have successfully added our user to the sudo's group. Okay. After that, we will like on @c password. It will show you like you can view all of the system users from @c password. Okay. And let me tell you another thing. It's just to cd, and if we do pwd here, it will give you the if it will give you your user's current home directory. Okay, pwd simply means print working directory. Okay, and you can like you can do cd wherever you want to get into the home directory back, okay, of your user's home directory, obviously, okay. And let's do ls hyphen la. Ls simply means list, it will list out the files, okay. And hyphen la means it will list out in a long format, and a simply means it will list out all files including the hidden files. These files like dot files are considered as hidden files on the Linux, okay. So you can create a file with the touch command. Let's use touch abcd.txt, and you can do ls. Then you will see abcd.txt is created, and when you do cat abcd, it will simply cat out the content, like the inside content from the users directory, okay. So if we have a editor named as nano that works on our terminal. So if you type nano and your file name, then it will open your file. Hi, hello, and just press your control key and O key and hit enter, and control X key to exit out, and it will, like, control O will save out your file, and control X will get you out from this, okay. And when you do cat abcd.txt, you will see hi, hello, whatever we have written there, okay. And another thing, Linux is very case sensitive thing. You can't you can't write this clear. You can, like, this clear is not this clear, okay. So after that, okay, you can view the etc password command with the cat, with the help of cat. And from here you will see your current users, okay. You will see the current users of your operating system, okay. So after that, we have another file. We can see, okay, we can see the shadow group, but it's for root only, okay. From here we can see the password hashes. Let me show you with the help of sudo command. You can see the hashes of this. If you are able to crack this, then you can get into the operating system. Like, you can just log in, okay, after cracking the hash of it. So after that, we have another command as etc group. You can view all of the group and their members from this command, okay. So, like, just cat slash etc slash groups. Oh, sorry, group, not groups. You can see the groups of your users, okay. And after that, we have like ps-aux to list all of the running processes with details. We can list out each and every processes, okay. Let's do a little bit. Let's when you do this, you will be like getting this type of thing where you will be like getting the PID user, like user PID, CPU users, memory users, RSS, TTY, stack, start time, and what the command is running. Okay, you can list out from this, and you can update your Kali using or update your operating system using sudo apt update. Okay, so you can use that. It will take time. So okay, let it run. Seconds. So you can update your Kali with this command sudo apt update. It will update your Kali, and you can install any packages with the apt command after updating your Kali. Okay. So let's just take a. Okay, it's done. It's done. So let me tell you how you can install a package first. Sudo apt install NeoFetch. Python 3. Okay. You can install, I have already installed the Python 3, but you can install any package with this command. Okay. Or like you just have to place your package name here to install it. Okay. And after that, we have top command to see live usage of CPU, RAM, and processes. Okay. So just type top. It will give you like the same as the PS-UX, but in a detailed manner. Okay. What's your memory and all you will see here. Okay. You just have to press Q on your keyboard to just get out from this. Okay. And after this, we have kill command to kill out any process ID. Like if you want to kill any process, then you can use the kill command. Like let's run the uh, Firefox and let's see the PID of it via top command. Let's see, do we have Firefox here? Okay, we have Firefox here with the ID of, okay, it's gone, I guess. Firefox with the ID of triple 332256. Okay, so we just have to do kill sudo kill. Let wait a second. I forgot. I'll type Q as I see the Firefox. Let's just wait. I think no Firefox. Okay, no Firefox is there. Let's do it again and let's see. No Firefox. No Firefox. Okay, we have Firefox here. The PID of it as double three double two five six. So we you just have to do this kill command like with sudo double three double two five six, and your Firefox will be quit or killed. Okay. So after that we have another command named as kill all. You can kill all of the process with the process ID. Okay, and after that you can check out the PID of command to get out the PID of a specific thing. Okay, like let's turn on the Firefox and type PID of Firefox -ESR. So you can see the PID of Firefox. Okay, so you can kill all using, sorry, you can kill all sudo kill all and the process name. So you just have to write this to kill out. Okay, now you can list the PID of Firefox. There will not be any Firefox running on background. Okay, and after that there is the fg command, bg command, and jobs command. The fg command simply foregrounds the process, the bg command simply backgrounds the process, and jobs will tell you the job controls. Okay, as you can see, you can type jobs, it will show you nothing because none of the jobs that I have assigned to them, or I'm not running any type of jobs right now. Okay, and if we do like ping google google.com. Okay, and it will start pinging the Google, and when we do like control Z, it will stop. Okay, it will suspend out the process, and when we do FG here, it will foreground the suspended process. Okay, and you can do BG to background the process. Like let me on the Firefox. Yes sir, and type B. No authorization required. Okay. Sudo Firefox. Firefox as root in a regular session is not supported. Okay. There might be some problem with this. You can see we have opened a mousepad and it goes on the. Okay, let's do another thing. Let's do ping here and let's just do Control Z and type PG. It will again start pinging. Like it will. Okay, now it's good. It will like show up the background processes of your user. Okay. So now we have another command named as like we can see the status of any service whatever we are running. So like see let's see with the SSH thing. Okay, as you can see SSH is disabled on our system right now as it says inactive, but we can turn it on using the system CTL start SSH. It will simply ask me for the password and okay, we have to use sudo for it. And again when we do status it shows like active and running. It simply means the SSH is started, and to stop it we just have to type stop. Okay, just have to type stop to stop the SSH process. Okay, inactive dead. And after that we have another commands like you can check out this your task. Okay, we have some operators here. So we have a operator named as pipe. Okay, you can use pipe to send output to one of the command into another command. Okay, like let me show you. If we do ps hyphen aux and pipe out and give p abc.txt, it will save out everything in abc.txt as you can see. Okay, and after that we have another operator. It's an redirector operator. Okay, it will redirect the output to a file or it will overwrite into the file. Okay, as we have the contents in abc.txt, as you can see, as we have this much contents, if we do echo hi and a single redirector symbol to this file, then it will simply like delete all of the previous data and just save out the hi into your file. But if we do like if we do double greater than symbol, then it will append it. Okay, when we do cat abc.txt, it will like add our text in a new line. Okay, appends output, it do not overwrites. Okay, and we have and symbol, it runs second command only if the first is successful. Okay, like if we type ipas and then do this command and do ls, it will show you the ls output and the ip config output. Okay, and after that we have this semicolon thing. It is like it is used to run second command regardless of the first command's result. Okay, like ls colon id, you can see the id's output and ls output as well. Okay, after that we have another thing named as chmod thing to give permission to any file. Okay, so Again, I have created another diagram for you. So as you can see, this this thing first. So chmod have different permissions. You can see you can use symbols or mode to like write on the like to use the chmod. Okay, if you do 777, then you can give the permission to everyone to read, write, and execute. Okay, on any file. If you do 755, then it gives the user to full access and others to execute only. The X stands for execute, the R stands for read, W stands for write, okay, and 700 simply means only owner can access the file, and 666 simply means anyone can read and write into the file, and 444 simply means read only for all, and 000 means no one can access. It's the lockdown file. Okay, and you can see the permissions here on this section. As the first bit will show you the file type, whatever the file type will be. If it's minus, then it's an txt file, or if it's like this d or something, then it simply means it's a directory. Okay, and the the three of this simply means the access of it, the access of the file, and this particular thing will tell you the owner access, and this particular thing will tell you the group access, and the last three one will tell you the others, like anyone can run or modify or not. Okay, you can have the permission with like this chmod 777 abcd.txt. Now if you do ls-la, you can see anyone can read, write, and execute into this file. Okay, but if I do chmod 000 abcd.txt, then you will see a single line. No one can access this file, even the owner of this file. Like if you do cat abcd.txt, it shows permission denied because we have simply like we have remove all of the privileges. Okay, so after this, okay, so you can use this to get your things. Okay, so again another thing is git. Okay, you have git installed on your system by default, or you can install git by sudo apt install git, and you can clone any repo from the github, git clone, and you can use any repo to clone out. Okay, so you can use like git clone and the link of your github's repo. Okay, you can clone out from like from here, and after this you will have like this is all. Like after this is all for basics. I think we have left something. We can see the IP addresses of our machine as IPAS. We can list out all of the IP addresses that are associated with us. Okay, and even if you do IF config, you can see the adapter's name and the IP addresses. It's the private IP address. Okay, so that's all for today's class.